Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to draw the sweetest little rabbit ever. Rabbits are so soft, shy and full of love, just like the little moments that make us smile every day too. I remember when I was little I used to imagine rabbits whispering secrets of happiness in the garden. So today let's bring that sing gentle music into our paper and make our bunny smile with love. Okay guys, look at our adorable rabbit face. He is so soft and full of kindness, just like all of you who keep creating with love. Remember, every drawing you make adds a little more joy to the world. If you enjoyed this drawing and sweet bunny, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to join our happy creative family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.